The 6 health benefits of turmeric. Originally from Asia, this plant, traditionally used as a spice in cooking, has many benefits for our health. It would be wrong to deny it. Turmeric would prevent the appearance of certain cancers, fighting against the oxidative stress responsible for cell degeneration and against inflammation would prevent certain cancers of the ENT sphere, lung, and breast. Turmeric is good for the brain. Curcumin, together with turmerone, another component of turmeric, is said to have positive effects on the brain. It is a promising molecule for regenerating damaged brain cells and neurological diseases. More particularly in Alzheimer's disease, it destroys the protein plaques responsible for the degeneration of certain brain cells, by interfering with the transmission of information, while preventing their formation, specifies the naturopath. It is an anti-inflammatory. Turmeric, thanks to its natural anti-inflammatory properties, at the same time improves the mobility of the joints. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory power, it would also help reduce joint pain, rheumatoid arthritis and osteoarthritis, and postoperative pain. This plant also protects against the liver and intestine, obstruction of the bile duct and chronic liver diseases such as hepatitis. Turmeric relieves digestive disorders. The World Health Organization has recognized its positive action against digestive disorders. In addition to soothing stomach aches, it optimizes disturbed biliary functions, which can, in particular, be the cause of constipation, and it improves the quality of the permeable intestinal mucous membranes. Turmeric, an asset against cholesterol. Turmeric does not directly affect cholesterol, but it is interesting in people who have it. It lowers the triglyceride level by reducing the sugar level, and it also helps maintain the bad rate. Low cholesterol. As a preventive measure, it helps maintain good cholesterol levels. It can also be consumed in addition to treatment for diabetes. Turmeric, a source of vitamins. Rich in iron, manganese, potassium, vitamin C and B6, turmeric consumed regularly is an excellent way to stay healthy. In times of fatigue, for example, it gives a boost. It is also a preventive superfood for general health. As prevention, take a teaspoon per day of powdered turmeric sprinkled on your dishes.